Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. Young bakers, we will take you on a delightful journey into the world of baking. Find a comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Get ready to embark on a magical baking adventure, where you will discover the joy of creating a delicious apple pie. Are you ready to awaken your inner baker? Let's begin. Imagine yourself in a warm and cozy kitchen, filled with the sweet aroma of apples and cinnamon. Visualize a beautiful basket of fresh, juicy apples before you, ready to be transformed into a mouth-watering apple pie. Feel the excitement building within you as you prepare to embark on this baking adventure. Visualize a clean and spacious countertop, where you gather the ingredients for the apple pie. Picture a bowl of flour, a stick of butter, a pinch of salt, and a sprinkle of sugar. Observe how each ingredient has its own unique texture and aroma. As you begin to combine the ingredients, feel the smoothness of the flour and the coolness of the butter as you mix them together. Visualize the dough coming together, gradually forming a soft and pliable texture. Take a moment to appreciate the process of transformation as the ingredients blend harmoniously. Imagine rolling out the dough on a floured surface, feeling the gentle pressure of the rolling pin. Visualize the dough stretching and thinning, becoming the perfect foundation for your apple pie. Witness the care and precision you put into creating the pie crust. Now, picture a bowl filled with freshly sliced apples. Observe the crispness and the vibrant colors that vary from deep red to golden yellow. Feel a sense of gratitude for the natural sweetness and nourishment that apples provide. SB. A second equals 5E. Pause as you gently place the apple slices into the prepared pie crust. Visualize them nestling together, creating a beautiful mosaic of flavors and textures. Sprinkle the apples with a mixture of cinnamon and sugar, adding warmth and depth to the pie. SB. A second equals 5e. Pause. Imagine placing the pie in the oven, the heat gently enveloping it. Listen to the comforting sound of the oven door closing, knowing that something delicious is being created inside. Feel a sense of anticipation and excitement as the aroma of baked apples fills the kitchen. As the pie bakes, visualize the golden crust turning crispy and the apples softening, releasing their sweet aroma. Experience the joy and satisfaction of knowing that you are creating something wonderful from simple ingredients. Reflect on the lessons learned from this magical apple pie baking adventure. Consider the patience, creativity, and attention to detail that went into creating a delicious masterpiece. Recognize the power of taking simple ingredients and transforming them into something extraordinary. Understand that with dedication and passion, you have the ability to bring joy and delight to yourself and others. Embrace the spirit of sharing and generosity that comes with baking. Visualize yourself slicing a piece of the freshly baked apple pie and sharing it with loved ones. Notice the smiles on their faces and the warmth in their hearts as they savor each bite. Appreciate the connections and moments of togetherness that are created through the act of sharing food. Take a moment to express gratitude for the opportunity to engage in this wonderful baking adventure. Give thanks for the abundance of nature and the gift of delicious ingredients. Acknowledge the skills and knowledge passed down through generations that allow us to create culinary delights. As you bring this guided meditation to a close, carry the spirit of the apple pie adventure within you. Remember the joy of baking, the creativity of transforming simple ingredients, and the happiness that comes from sharing your creations with others. Let the memories and lessons of this guided meditation inspire you to explore your own creativity in the kitchen, and to embrace the joy of baking as a way to express yourself. And you're ready? Slowly open your eyes, bringing the sense of joy and fulfillment back with you. Carry the spirit of apple pie baking in your heart, allowing it to inspire and guide you in creating delicious treats, and savoring the joy of sharing them with others. Treasure the memories and lessons of this guided meditation, and let them enhance your everyday experiences. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video.